Today, I'll show you how to activate voice mode on Claude AI. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. Anthropic says voice mode is available in Claude, and you can use it on both the web and the mobile app. On mobile, the main control is the voice mode icon, which looks like a sound wave symbol next to the microphone. Voice conversations also count toward your normal Claude usage limits based on your plan. If you're using the Claude mobile app on Android or iPhone, open the app first. Then look at the text input area at the bottom of the chat screen. Anthropic says you should tap the voice mode icon, which is the sound wave symbol next to the microphone icon. After that, choose a voice and then start speaking. Once you begin, Claude will listen and respond in voice mode. If you're using Claude on the web, the process is very similar. Open Claude in your browser, start a new chat, and tap the sound wave symbol in the lower right corner of the chat window. Anthropic says that once you do this, voice mode starts, and your spoken prompt will automatically populate in the chat input as you talk. Now let's talk about how it works once voice mode is on. Anthropic says Claude offers hands-free mode by default, where it keeps listening and responds after natural pauses in your speech. If you're somewhere noisy, Claude also supports push-to-talk mode, where you hold a button while speaking and release it when you're done. That can work better in busy places or when there's background noise. You can also change the voice later. Anthropic says that on mobile, while chatting in voice mode, you can tap the settings button in the bottom left corner and choose your preferred voice and pace. On the web, you can go to Settings, then General, and scroll to Voice Settings to change the voice there. If voice mode doesn't appear, make sure your Claude app is installed and updated, or if you're on Android, install the official app called Claude by Anthropic from the Play Store. Anthropic's official install guide says that is the correct Android app name, and that's how to activate voice mode on Claude AI. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.